Do you like to travel various places? Then you can definitely think your career in a sales department or marketing department. So if you are in IT and if you want to develop your career in sales and marketing side, you can think of pre-sales job. So in this video, we are going to talk about what high level skills are required to be a pre-sales person. So let's see those skills. So as part of your IT pre-sale career, you end up playing three kinds of role. First one is sales and marketing manager. Second is business development manager. And third one is business relationship manager, that is BRM. Now coming to the high level skills we require to be a sales and marketing person. So the first one, in today's era, you need to know digital marketing, how to do the sales and marketing on digital platform and attract right people so that you can sell them your products. Coming to the next part, that is social media marketing. Third one is professional networking, that plays very important role. So even if you are on digital or social media platform, but if you have really strong professional network, then that plays very important role, because professionally people know each other and you can create your weightage of reference in that case to grab that project. Client hunting is another way people look out for various kinds of assignment. Business and client engagement. So once you find tentative client, you need to keep engaging with them. So you will have regular meetings with them, regular talk with them about any product and service as an offering from your end. Then driving POCs and POV, that is another thing you may need to do as part of your sales and marketing, because many companies, they want to test few things before going for that larger purpose. That's where proof of concept and proof of verification kind of small assignment plays very important role. Then you need to keep on hunting new tools and technology, because in right now IT market is very fragile. There are various things coming within 6 months or 1 year. So you need to be very diligent as a salesperson to identify those new tools and technologies so that you can well verge your organization about those new findings, and organization can prepare if there is any kind of big project will come into that space. Arranging or attending marketing events, that is another important activity, and that's where I said marketing people end up traveling a lot. So if you like traveling various countries or various places, so you can definitely think of job of sales and marketing. So sales and marketing people are very good in their communication. So when I say communication, means it's not just English communication, but it is their self-belief on selling the product, how they can sell the things first to themselves before selling it to anyone. So that confidence matter more than anything else when I say communication. Then second thing is presentation skills. They have very good presentation skills. So they build up all presentation, and even they create some room presentation in order to make things more attractive and appealing to the client. Then persuasion skills are very important when it comes to the sales and marketing career. Storytelling is another way where you can engross your client and you can make even your ordinary product as more effective product. Negotiation skill is another important skill required when you go for sales and marketing. And last one is closing skill. So when I say closing, it is different than selling. So in closing, your client spend reasonable amount of time in your universe, and he knows about you and your product services, and he is totally convinced as part of the closing activity. Just you need to give him that last nod and you are close for that client. So that's how the closing skill is very important in your pre-sale career. So these are high level skills as part of your pre-sales career. So please put in the comment section which skills you want to acquire to take your pre-sales career to the next level. Thank you for listening.